Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on March the 29th, 2021. Facebook and Google lay submarine internet lines. Facebook said Monday that it is planning 2 new submarine cables to connect Singapore, Indonesia, and North America in a project with Google and local telecom companies to boost internet connectivity between the regions. The 2 cables, named Echo and Bifrost, will be the first to follow a diverse new route crossing the Java Sea and will increase overall submarine capacity in the Trans-Asia-Pacific region by about 70%. Echo is being built in partnership with Alphabet's Google and Indonesia telecom firm XL Axiata and should be completed by 2023. The cables will be the first to directly connect North America to Indonesia and increase capacity in the central and eastern provinces of the world's 4th most populous country. Facebook shares were trading 1.54% higher Monday morning, while Alphabet shares were 0.43% lower. Oil prices drop as Ever Given rises from the shoal. Oil prices plunged Monday on reports that a container ship that blocked the Suez Canal last week rose from shallow water. Brent crude fell 2.1% to $63.19 a barrel, and WTI crude fell 2.4% to $59.49 a barrel. Rescue crews lifted the container ship Ever Given in the Suez Canal, which blocked traffic in this important global transportation artery for nearly a week, as about 10% of the world's marine oil shipments pass through the canal. Hundreds of other container ships, bulk carriers, and oil tankers remained at both ends of the canal, but news of the ship's movement immediately sent oil prices sharply lower after trading slightly lower in the morning. The market is also under pressure as the number of new COVID-19 cases worldwide increased for the 5th week in a row. In addition, investors expect OPEC Plus to meet this week to discuss production from May. Stock markets rally amid global growth optimism. On Monday, Asian stock markets climbed higher following news of progress in opening the vital Suez Canal waterway. Moreover, adding optimism to the global outlook, markets look to President Joe Biden to lay out his infrastructure spending plans this week, which could spur an already accelerating U.S. recovery. The broadest index of MSCI stocks in the Asia-Pacific region outside Japan added 0.3%. Japan's Nikkei was up 1%, though there was some nervousness when Nomura said its U.S. unit could face a $2 billion loss related to a client. There was also some caution after a wave of $20 billion worth of block trades hit the markets on Friday, reportedly linked to investment fund Archegos Capital. Nasdaq futures are currently down 0.6% and S&P 500 futures are down 0.5%. Eurostoxx 50 futures are up slightly, while FTSE futures are flat. The prospect of faster U.S. economic growth sparked speculation of rising inflation and weighed on treasury prices. Archegos-related major deals raise market concerns. On Friday, a series of large block trades took place, causing a big drop in shares of several companies and concerns about volatility and trading in the coming days. According to a source, these moves are linked to the investment fund Archegos Capital. Shares of Viacom, CBS, and Discovery fell about 27% Friday, while shares of China's U.S.-listed Baidu and Tencent Music fell during the week, dropping 33.5% and 48.5% respectively from Tuesday's closing levels. At the open, Baidu was trading slightly lower in Hong Kong. The selling pressure was driven by liquidation of Archegos Capital Management's family office positions, which wiped out more than $20 billion in shares. Adding more frightening news for investors, Japan's Nomura Holdings Inc. on Monday noted a potential $2 billion loss at its U.S. subsidiary, though traders weren't sure if it was related.